Hi, this is Bilal from Speckle. With the 2.16 release of Speckle, SketchUp Connector is now available for Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install it. Before we begin, ensure you have a Speckle account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free at speckle.xyz, and we'll be installing the SketchUp Connector using Manager. Follow the video in the card in the top right corner to learn more about how to install the Manager. If you are a Mac user with an Apple Silicon chip, installing Rosetta is a requirement. It's a quick step and link is in the description. Assuming you have your Speckle account, Speckle Manager, and for some Rosetta installed, let's proceed with the SketchUp Connector installation. Simply open Manager. Then proceed to the Connectors tab and then try to find the SketchUp Connector from the list of available connectors. And simply click Install. Congratulations, you have successfully added the SketchUp connector to your toolkit. Now let's open SketchUp. Here I will open this model. And here it is, the SketchUp connector. If you don't see this button, simply go to Extensions and then go to Speckle and press this button, Initialize Speckle. And here it is. So now I can simply select this model and send it to the model I created for it, SketchUp Connector for Mac, and then press Send. It is sent. Let's click on View in Web. And here is the same model that we had inside SketchUp, now in Speckle. So we can receive the same data in other applications like Revit, Blender, Rhino, and more. So that was it. If you encounter any issues or have feedback, feel free to drop a comment or join our community, speckle.community. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.